Uniquely yours. Mastering the phrase, put one's stamp on. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that pops up in English conversations. Put one's stamp on. This expression is a gem in the language, symbolizing personal touch and influence. If you've ever wondered what it means to truly leave your mark on something, you're in the right place. Let's explore together how this phrase can enrich your English communication. Put one's stamp on is an idiomatic expression that means to give something a distinctive character or identity, usually through one's personal influence or style. When someone puts their stamp on something, they are making it uniquely theirs, infusing it with their personality, creativity, or approach. This phrase can be applied in various contexts, from art and design to business and leadership. While the exact origins of this phrase are not clear, it likely stems from the historical use of stamps to mark ownership or authenticity. Just as a stamp would imprint a unique symbol or name on an object, putting one's stamp on something metaphorically imprints one's unique signature or style on it. In everyday usage, you might hear it in sentences like, "The new chef really put his stamp on the menu, introducing dishes that blend traditional and modern flavors. She put her stamp on the project, turning an ordinary task into something extraordinary." To fully grasp the versatility of "put one's stamp on," let's look at a few examples across different scenarios. In business, a leader puts their stamp on a company by implementing unique strategies that reflect their vision and values. In art, an artist puts their stamp on their work by incorporating signature elements that make it recognizable. In personal life, someone might put their stamp on their living space by decorating it in a style that reflects their personality. 1. Be authentic. When you aim to put your stamp on something, ensure it truly reflects your personal touch. 2. Observe others. Notice how influential people in various fields have put their stamps on their work. It can inspire your approach. 3. Practice. Try using this phrase in your conversations or writing. It's a great way to express appreciation for individuality and creativity. Put one's stamp on is more than just an expression. It's a celebration of uniqueness and personal influence. Whether you're leaving your mark on a project, a work of art, or even your personal spaces, this phrase captures the essence of making something distinctly yours. We hope this exploration helps you appreciate and utilize the beauty of this phrase in your English conversations. Keep stamping your uniqueness onto the world, and see how it transforms around you. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to our next English adventure together.